So freaking sweet.
Oh shit.
He's last dabbing it.
Oh.
Play it, play it.
That's about what I put on there,
All
mine.
up on there.
Yeah.
Just make sure that first bite, that glob smacks right dead center of the tongue.
It's like pouring off me.
I was gonna say, and I didn't get no time because y'all were already done.
No.
Oh,
I'm
Cassie,
straight
paper towel,
crying.
please. Multiple sheets, thank you.
Drum roll.
I bet it was the last dab. Probably not as bad as Psycho, honestly.
But do you see the size of the glob he's got on his?
No, seriously, Psycho was. I remember.
Psycho's
Psycho.
bad. I told him Psycho. I knew Psycho was bad.
I mean, don't get me wrong. The last dab was sitting with you for like 5 minutes. Like I'm just pouring.
I'm still
sweat.
on fire from the stupid thing number 4.
What was what's that movie? It was Austin Powers where you just had the sweat dripping off.
What is it?
Or when the guy's flying the plane, an airplane?
Yeah, an airplane. Don't call me
Do you
Shirley.
need a tissue?
I need a fucking pad after
My face is so burning.
Well, you playing with it all day. Just eat it.
No, so burning?
He's just delaying. That's what he's doing.
Yeah, he's
He's
delaying
putting that
that.
shit off.
The sooner you eat it, the less of a kick, I'm telling you. The longer you wait, it sucks down that throat.
You're getting enjoyment out of this. You're getting enjoyment.
Oh, yeah, man.
From the dab.
Fucking wow. I can't say I'm definitely not eating like a tip of fucking Psychos. I'm not doing that. That's just suicide.
Yeah.
She didn't 4th of July night.
Moving close door. Hey.
How you like that? How's that one got you sitting?
That's not bad. I think Psycho was worse, but that shit's creeping like.
Like I said,
It does creep.
yeah, the worst part right now is it feels like I said, it feels like there's someone's trying to hijack an armored car in my stomach right now, and they're on a high-speed chase on the freeway. They're shooting, all kinds of shit, man.
Because they are. No, in your stomach.
All right, give me my question,
Yeah.
my man, so I can hit.
Knowing what just got put into it, oh yeah.
Last food to eat.
No, in your
There's like
stomach, there's probably 13 more.
there's like 5 wings in there in the middle of a fist fight right now.
I like hitting the
Look, I did
spray out
dab
of the
before
sink,
Psycho.
soaking y'all.
Oh my god, that shit is so fucking hot, dude.
Why? I got Psycho and I'm done. Oh, I got
No,
dab
in your
next
stomach,
place.
there's probably like
Yeah.
13 more.
Yeah, it could be.
Don't me.
I need my mouth back fresh.
Mommy's over there.
This is a roast card.
Oh,
Again,
Okay.
all the players roast you by telling us the time that you cock blocked a friend.
When we're done with
I need
this,
2 wings.
Well, the day he met me at
I
the
borrow your life.
KOA, you cockblocked all them son of a bitches.
They wanted to date somebody.
Oh,
borrow
for
their
you,
life,
yeah.
run away with
Trying to
it.
get
yeah,
my
sure.
If you don't mind where it's at.
Junior, forgive me not popping.
Yes.
Is that
Oh,
the
no,
number
hey.
4? Oh, that's that stupid fucking one. Number
Ask him why.
4.
Come here.
Ugh.
What are you?
He low-key, he said the worst was last.
Yeah.
I know. Oh, here it comes. I've been through it.
Unless I said
Yeah.
My lips is fucking burning, boy.
Psycho.
Like,
Psycho.
My lips feel as red as
Don't
hers.
play.
no.
Look, I'm drooling.
Still burning, Corey?
But true. My lips is hot right now. I was digging for the fucking chance.
Yeah.
I thought like this was ice cream.
The burn is subside, but I still feel like my nose is runny and shit.
Dax, Nanny's got water.
You still burning? You still feeling the burn, Cassie?
Oh yeah, nose. My nose.
Oh yeah.
My nose is wide open.
Her lips are around
There
it.
it goes. See, it kicks in like after. It's on the back of your tongue. Oh, that's
Oh yeah, the lip burns bad.
What are you?
So
You're going
I'm
too far,
Corey now.
buddy.
Bad.
The last one.
Bad.
He said I'm up out of here.
Dexter.
Nah, he can't run now.
Look, who was it? Who is it who's drinking really heavy?
Me. Oh.
That lady that got super drunk while